आप लोग क्या एक्सप्लेन करने वाले हो बेटा? पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स? हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स? ओके. टेल मी व्हाट इज फ्लावर?
Flower are the most beautiful parts of plant. Most flower give all sweet smell.
Okay. What is steam?
Steam is the part of plants.
Okay, very good. What is roots?
Are the main parts of the grow under the ground this soil.
What is fruit?
We also eat the fruits of some plants like mango, apple, cucumber, papaya, etc.
What is root system? What is leaf?
Leaves are the green part of plant. They are in different shapes and size. Some are small, big, that make loop and loop.
Very good. Say thank you.